In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can fix an invalid code error here in Sailor Piece on Roblox. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you had any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. First things first, what you need to go ahead and do is open up the settings tab just like so. And once you open up the settings tab, just scroll down and you're going to see in here a codes section. Now you're probably already in here if you're typing a code and it's popping up with invalid code. But essentially, if the code that you enter says invalid, there's a few reasons for that. You might have typed the code wrong, the code might have already expired, or the code isn't available for your account or level. So make sure, of course, when you are entering in these codes, you're typing them exactly as shown. Capital letters do matter. You don't want to do lower cases. You want to go ahead and do capital, right? And then, of course, on top of that, you don't want to do like an extra space for any reason. And then, of course, if a code has like numbers or, special characters, those are also going to matter as well. Now, if it's still not working, the code is most likely expired. New codes do get released over time, so just try and redeem them as quickly as possible before they expire. And the best way to do that is just by subscribing to the channel with all notifications on so you don't miss when new codes drop. But that is the full process. If you guys have any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out. Let us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.